All right, we're back at it here at Keystone. Gonna be a short day. It's already like 2 p.m. right now. We're just coming out for a couple laps. Got to test the shin. It's all stitched up and it's kind of healing, but we got to make sure like riding's not gonna make it like rip back open, everything like that. No issues. That means our boy D-Money Daniel's gonna slay it, and it's just gonna be overall a super sick day. Also, who enjoyed Daniel's little riff at the beginning of the video? Daniel slays it on the guitar, super sick. Hopefully we can get more Daniel's guitar playing in these videos. I think that's something we're gonna start moving towards. Kind of show you guys the other side of Daniel, his good side. So my thigh's still swollen. Kind of my foot too. Just that area's all messed up. So everything's tight. Like my foot is tight in my boot right now. This is what we're working with. Bandage. Like we were like so close to Daniel hitting the boot. I mean the cut's like right here. It's about like an inch from being safe. Rats. All right, so with our limited time on the mountain, we decided we're gonna go to the incubator and have Daniel practice 180s all day. Maybe see if he gets really, really good. We might try 360. And that's the plan. We're gonna help Daniel spin better today. Well, this storm just came out of nowhere. It's dumping. A little busy today. Heck yeah.
Guys, there's so much music in today's vlog, it's crazy.
So Daniel's 180 was sick, but the tip I gave him is to kind of attack the landing. So when he gets the 180 around, he's leaning back a little bit. So I told him like get that 180 around and then like lean forward a tiny bit. Hold on real quick. Backpack. So he's gonna 180 and then kind of like lean into the landing and like attack the landing opposed to like leaning away from it, because it's riding switch, so it is this uncomfortable riding. So it's natural to kind of lean back from it, which is going to cause you to fall more though. So you want to kind of attack that landing. He also is going to start every run switch from now on for the rest of the day. He'll strap in, ride into the incubator, switch, and then go do all his tricks. You got it, bro. Switch riding. It's getting covered. Drop. It's just a harsh land.
Try to be a little bit more aggressive that time.
Let's check out how much snow is collected already. "20 more minutes of this, we'll be able to take a power run." This snow is insane. I haven't seen snow come down this fast and this heavy in Colorado in forever. This stuff is stacking quick. now the rain is gone. Man, we wish it was just gonna keep dumping like that. How lame. Well, at least you can see your landing.
All right, wait, how fast are these?
I would kind of point them. At least the first one. That hurt.
Huh? That hurt?
That yeah, so like all this snow just dropped in the last 40 minutes. Came in hot. Did you guys hear that squeal?
Look, dog.
Dude, it was good.
Was it fire?
What a slash, dude. All right, so sadly the snow's not here no more. We were about to have the most epic powder day of all time if it kept snowing like that for even like
snow's not here no more.
Snow's not here no more. All right, guys, the storm just bailed on us. We were gonna have the most epic powder day tomorrow if it just kept dumping, but I guess that's not gonna happen. There is a chance, looks like another wave might be coming in, but that was the most intense snowfall I've been in years. I was so sick. Our boy Daniel's been slaying it today, so sick. His evolution progression is just on fire. Sadly, this one's chipmunk, but it is nice and bluebird now. Or not bluebird, but should be sunny for this last run. Nice, dude.
Ooh. Is it good?
Yeah, I just had to like. Alright, we're at it. What a sick day for Daniel. I did. Huge. Huge. So riding the park is easy, it's nice and groomed, not choppy, nothing like this. This run though is so hard to ride. It's super choppy, which makes my like cut and everything bounce. So I'm taking it super mellow, getting out of here, which is making my legs burn. Because if you've heel slid a whole mountain before, you understand the burn. Just cruising, you know? We out here flying down the mountain. Look, memories. Sorry it took so long.
Take me off the snowboard until I get to the car.
Oh yeah? That sounds great for your wax. It is freezing outside. Oh my goodness, my hands are so cold.
And the snow came back.
And the snow came back. It's dumping. And guys, we did it. I'm so happy. 12,000 subscribers. That is absurd and crazy. That's so many subscribers. Thank you to everybody that is subscribed to the channel. It means the world to me. You guys all rock. And one way I can give back to you guys for being so awesome is doing a goggle giveaway. So we got the Outdoor Master blue and orange goggles. We're gonna give a pair of those away, so hit the link in the description and enter the giveaway. It's gonna be so sick. The cool thing with those giveaways too is not only do I get to give something to you, but it does help grow the channel even bigger, and the bigger we get, the cooler stuff we can do.
And really thank you guys for checking out that song that we did at the beginning of the video. It's something that Johnathan and I have talked about doing for a little while. It's just something that he thinks that I do is cool, and he just wanted to share it with you guys. And as someone who makes music, the best thing that I can do is obviously share it I want people to hear it. So
That's the best part about Daniel's music, is none of it's copied or anything like that. He makes all of that original himself. So sick. Hands, dude, what's happening?
dude, I'm frozen.
And once again, my GoPro hates me. For some reason, it just stopped recording audio. Currently giving the little guy a bath. We always do bath time together. But that sucks. I was saying a bunch of really cool stuff. But today's sticker shout out goes to Charlie 3-Foot W, rocking it with his little guy at the mountain, looking sick. Can't wait to take Roman snowboarding. He's gonna go snowboarding in March. But dude, thank you so much for supporting the channel, guys. If you want to get any of the Evolution merch, we got the cool mountain one, the brand new Colorado looking one. Dude, this one's so sick. Check this one out. Any of the stickers, guys, it's gonna be linked in the description. Then tag me on Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. And once again, I don't remember what we said at the end of the video, but man, what a sick video. Daniel rips it on the guitar. It was ripping on the snowboard. Such a fun day for Daniel. But with all of that, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I so do, banger, I'm the new Mick Jagger. So currently the only thing that sucks is kicking.